my strap hurts.
Oh, that's why you should get a tripod.
Why? Hi. Yo, this soon retiring. Take a photo.
Oh, they're soon retiring them?
I swear, if it turns red,
I think it will. Yeah, it is. It is.
are you sure?
Not.
Wait, it actually might not.
No, it is.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not, yo.
Is it? No, is it? Yes. It's not. Skibbity bum bum duck duck duck. Yes. Oops. I just heard someone say that's a 74 cent. Let's turn away here.
Let's go. Bro, they're actually gonna miss it.
So lucky.
I know, but I'm even luckier. I saw Air Force One.
Yeah, it is. I think.
It is. You're right. Oh, this is so good. This is so good.
Look at that photo.
Nice. Do you want to see my videos?
What the Sigma?
Dude. I'll throw my extra battery at you.
Oh, you want your jacket?
Actually.
Oh, you brought an extra.
Yeah, and I'll throw it at you.
Oh, man.
What a Sigma.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's like a little, I think it's an air show. Or I think it's like a museum.
Did you say air show?
Maybe. But I don't think it is. Oh, Jadon.
A321U.
Jadon.
Yeah?
Bro, the Gorilla Tag community is actually kind of toxic.
I know.
Bro, I was literally playing peaceful and I just heard someone say that. Right? Yeah. Bro, and then I joined the code where people got doxxed. It's BBVR. BBVR.
Yeah?
2 weeks ago, a guy made a video about that, a code. That's a code where a ghost will join you, and then you'll just, for maintenance, like remodeling, like reconstruction.
Something. Wait.
Every 4-engine plane was taking off on this side, and it was
Look
like
what just took off there. Look what just took off there. What is that airline?
Flare. I know it's Flare.
I never see Flare. This is the first time I've seen Flare.
Me too. Me too.
A350s are just so beautiful.
I know. Oh, that's a one world allowed to me.
Why should I set you in my photo?
I don't know why.
Alright, bet. One photo equals $10.
Actually, bet.
50.
Bet.
Yo! Look! Like, move! Look! How many times zoom in? I know. Like, I feel so confident. Nobody likes that.
Should I?
What?
Are you gonna take a video or a photo or something?
What do you mean? For what?
Oh shoot!
Spirit is the devil. Spirit is the devil.
Spirit's going bankrupt.
Spirit is the devil.
Spirit never dies.
Spirit's running off the runway. Spirit's off the runway.
It's a flight radar did.
Oh. Once he got grounded for using his dad's Apple Vision Pro without permission.
His dad has an Apple Vision Pro.
Yeah, which is overpriced and overrated.
I mean, you
use of. I saw that at Las Vegas.
What are you excited about?
Oh, there's a Spirit over.
Spirit one?
Yeah, it's
Spirit one.
I swear, I'm gonna take a video of both of them.
I saw this at Las Vegas. Wait. Look, everything is going here. I feel like it might take off here.
It is.
Let's go.
Comment here. Oh, it's time for a battery change.
What the Sigma guys?
Stop. I swear.
Wait, look, Alaska. Spirit. The old Spirit's next to the old Alaska. Oh. Wait,
It's Cathay Pacific. Wait, no.
No, that's
No.
China Airlines cargo. One world's more worth.
Okay.
Oi. Okay,
Take a picture of Qantas.
registration J. Okay, let's go. I got the registration. Qantas, yes. Little N.
It will. It's gonna pull.
Oh, there. Got it.
Honestly, I think the Sony's a little bit
Bro,
better.
for me it says Qantas. For my picture it says Qantas. Look. This is Qantas. Bro, what? Why does it say Qantas? Look that up.
No.
Who did?
A comment on YouTube.
Okay, this is good. I'm posting this for jet photos.
Yeah. Probably like 5 minutes or something.
I also got the registration.
Nice. Like 5 minutes. Cathay.
Why are you getting the fast?
Flight rate are it's good. It's Philippines.
Philippines, take it off. Yo, look at those engines. Look, they got the GE lines, I think. Oh, my strap hurts.
Oh, that's why you should get a tripod.
Why? Hi. Yo, this soon retiring. Take a photo.
Oh, they're soon retiring them?
I swear, if it turns red,
I think it will. Yeah, it is. It is.
are you sure?
Not.
Wait, it actually might not.
No, it is.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not, yo.
Is it? No, is it? Yes. It's Skibbity bum bum duck duck duck. Yes. Oops. I just heard someone say that's a 74 It's turning right here.
Let's go.
Look, they're actually gonna miss it. We're so lucky.
I know, but I'm even luckier. I saw Air Force One. Bro, I know how to do it.
Yo,
I think that might be
it took off at this runway already 2 times.
what is Roborock's Q7X?
Oh, that's not a robot.
Oh,
Like
nice.
vacuum.
Zip Air. Zip Air 787.
That's
I've only seen Zip Air 2 times.
3.
And this is my 3rd.
I missed the C-17 at what? Private. Off my camera because I want to save battery life even though I'm in the middle of connecting. This is the 3rd time I turned it off.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, Jadon. Do you have Among Us VR? Do you have Among Us VR? Dude, you have to try it.
Oh, help me, Diddy's chasing me.
Stop.
Okay.
Oh, this. Stop. Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
You should listen to your videos in here, man.
Oh my gosh!
That's how you have it.
United 757s in one.
And it was the old one and new. CRJ 200's landing. CRJ 200, United. This runway, I think. Can you wait 6 minutes for a United 757 landing?
No, I cannot.
6 minutes.
I can't.
6!
No, I can't wait. Yeah, you should.
No, I really want to use the tripod. Oh, Spirit.
Okay, right after it pushes in, I'll let you use it. Okay?
No, Spirit just took off. Spirit just took off.
Bro, please can I take some pictures?
Fine. I'm not using the tripod.
Okay, not
You could take 3 pictures.
3.
But will you let me delete them?
Yeah.
What is that? Hey,
Oh, shoot. Bro, it's so short.
I know.
Dude, it's so easy to zoom in.
I know. Here, almost everything.
Oh, same.
Let me browse through your photos.
This is
You scared me.
black livery.
What should I take a photo of? Or him?
All black livery. Or just take a picture of both. Or video. I'm taking video. Plug.
I swear, if it turns,
I
I'm gonna
swear,
rage.
my camera overheats
Wait, your camera overheats?
sometimes.
Really? Mine never. Is it turning?
No. Dude, it's passenger. It's not gonna turn and park in a cargo terminal.
I know. I'm saying if it turned there, like right away, I'd agree. Yo.
I swear, 737 Maxes always take off so late. I swear.
Imagine if we just stopped turning.